Hey, Ashley with the Ohana Homes team, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a new or duplicated event on your Facebook business page. So we're hopping over to our Ohana Homes team page. As you can see, it's the main page, and I'm logged in. You have the admin panel on the left. Just make sure that on the upper right-hand corner that you are logged into the team account and not your personal account, or you are not going to be able to duplicate. So we're on the main page. Today we are going to duplicate an open house ad. And I am going down to a static post that Brittany made for an open house that we have tomorrow. I'm going to copy the information so I don't have to retype it, reinvent the wheel, and going to create a new event from a duplicated event. So here on the main page, you have the tabs here, and you're going to go to more. Go down to events. As you can see, all of our past events are right here. In this case, we are going to duplicate a past event that Harley had done an open house for us a little while ago. Kind of click on that and make sure again that you are logged in as your team account and not as the personal account, or you will not be able to duplicate. So in the event, you're going to the three buttons and you're going to do the drop down and duplicate event. All of the information for the event that you can edit is going to be on the left hand side. So in this case, it is going to be at 2045 Harbor Terrace, and it's going to populate. So go ahead and click that. You do the date. It will be for tomorrow on the 26th, which is already checked. It's also going to be starting from 12 to 3, already in there. You're going to edit the event name. And this is what's going to show on Facebook. As you can see, as I type, it shows you Palm Harbor Terrace. Then in the description, we're going to delete the old description. And then when we copy the description from the previous post, that's where I'm going to paste it. So I don't have to retype the whole thing out again. And as you can see, it's populated over in the details section. Move this a little bit. Going to delete the previous photo because it's no longer accurate. I created a new graphic in Canva, which I have already done, and I will do in a new video to show you later. But this is the graphic for tomorrow. You can drag and reposition it, as you can see on the right side of the preview. I like to make it sure that the open house is right at the top. So going to keep it there and save that. And Harley is already added as a co-host, but if you want to add anybody else, you can do that here and save. You can add a ticket, you can add a schedule, then create. And that is it. Super simple. It just takes a minute to create. And then once you've created the event, you'll be able to share it to Facebook groups, and which is great if you can share it to like yard sale groups or real estate groups on Facebook. So you can share here. In this case, I just have the Northport home buyers. You can also start a discussion either from here or from this tab here. I like to add a post just so it's not just a static event. I will paste again what I had in the details, just to be, and I will re-add the photo that I created in Canva, and always do a check-in to the Ohana Homes team, and there you have it, and I will post. And so now you have an event that we've created on Facebook, and we also have in the discussion, we have a new post as well. So you can share, you can add people to this event. You can share on, into your news feed. You can share to different groups, share the event. You can get a link so that you can share it on other platforms. And then also here you can add it to your page. You can export the guest list if you need to and add people to it. So there you go. You just created a new event, or the new event and a duplicated event on your business page. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and have a blessed day.